నమస్తే అందరికీ. నేను వీరనారి చాకలియమ్మ ఉమెన్స్ యూనివర్సిటీ నుంచి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. సెలెక్ట్ అయినాను. యాక్చువల్గా ఇది నేషనల్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ యూత్ పార్లమెంట్ ఎస్ఎఫ్డి ఆధ్వర్యంలో ఎవ్రీ 4 years నుంచి ఇది జరుగుతుంది. అండ్ ఇందులో వీ హ్యావ్ యూనివర్సిటీ లెవెల్, రీజనల్ లెవెల్, జోనల్ లెవెల్ అండ్ అగైన్ ఫైనల్స్. Nationals are in the Nagpur Assembly, Legislative Assembly. And the experience when I share this, I have got many perspectives, ideologies, and I got an opportunity to share my views. And I can say this is the best platform for the students, youth of this generation, where they can put forward their ideas, perspectives, which will be for the welfare, which will be helpful for the welfare of the nation. And the best part of this session is we had this honorable speaker of Nagpur. We had so many insights from him. Not only that, but we had many delegates who have spoken with us personally, and that was really a great thing to share. And also not only this, but the initiatives or the ideas or the policies which we shared here, best among them will be shared in the COP. So I can say for the students or the youth of Telangana especially, this is a greatest opportunity to the South Indian people to represent our culture, state, universities in the national level. I hope in the next year, in the coming sessions, you will be participating with us and hoping all the best.
Namaskaram, this is Srinath from Osmania University representing Telangana State. Today, NEYP 2026 at Nagpur Vidhan Sabha was an amazing experience to discuss about the climate change, environmental problems. As I am a representative from the opposition, it was a fantastic debate. Many minds from entire India have discussed the problems regarding to climate change and other environmental degradation problems. It was a fantastic experience. It gives a lot of awareness to people from all over the country, representing Northeast, Northwest, Central India, South India, North India. I request please to participate in upcoming SFD or events and NEYP competitions which we are going to organize, since awareness in the country regarding the climate issues is a must. Thank you very much.
Namaskar, I'm Nandini Prasoon from the English and Foreign Language University, and I'm here at the Nagpur Vidhan Sabha for the National Environment Youth Parliament. It was such a nice experience. I got so much to learn about climate. I never thought I would get this opportunity to come here and speak. So thank you for SFD Telangana.
From University of Hyderabad, my name is Kailas Nath. So I was a finalist in the National Environment Youth Parliament 2026. So to be honest, it was such an insightful program. We were able to take part in an insightful session because as we are the Gen Z, Generation Z, we are able to take part in such a good platform that we are able to deliberate.